In November 2021, a Korean passenger on the Trans-Siberian Railway was put under a terrible curse. It is only after she drank 6 liters of sparkling water in a row that she realized the seriousness of the situation. Hello, this is Grace. In this video, I'm talking about what to prepare for the Trans-Siberian Railway. I want to mention items for regular travel such as clothes. I prepare emergency food that only needs to be poured with hot water. There is a different type of emergency food that uses a heating agent, but the temperature of the heating agent goes up pretty high, so I figured there is a high risk of burns while using it in a shaking train. I like to drink coffee, so I prepared coffee tea bags. It's easier to get drip bags, but it doesn't seem easy to pour water at regular intervals in a shaking train. I wasn't sure if I could borrow a cup during Corona pandemic, so I brought a tumbler too. Absolutely essential. Life on a train cannot exist without sleepers. There is one outlet for each bed, but if you have more than 2 applications, I recommend bringing a multi-tab. Google Translate app is so useful. You can download Russian in downloaded language. Internet connection is horrible while the train is running, so I recommend downloading it in advance. If you have Russian train app, you can see your ticket and check dwell time at each station. Can you guess what the next item is? Did you find it? A heating pad. In Russia, indoor heating is great. However, as I'm from the country of Ondol, I need to have a heating pad under my bag while I'm on a bed in winter. I could shop in advance at local supermarkets, or I can use station stalls. Conductors' offices on the train, and vending machines in the aisles of cars in second class and above. Potato puree is great for breakfast and snacks. It's tasty but quite salty. If you put a little more water than the recommended amount, you can have potatoes with the proper seasonings and soft texture. Buy this water. Unexpectedly, I drank 6 liters of sparkling water in a row, and my love for it was greatly tested. It looks like I need to have 6 months of separation with it. Please leave a comment if you have any recommendation and tips for train trips. See you on my next trip. Thank you for accompanying me today.